Hello guys, this is a GL400, a W160. The complaint of the customer was that the car refuses to start. She said whenever she tries to roll the engine, it just makes this sound, and it seems like battery. I came here and tried to jump the car to start, but it wouldn't start. This is the symptom. Yes, the car was doing the keke. So here's it. Listen, it's not even doing the keke right now, as you can see, and as you can see, the battery is not dead. As you can see. So now it's not even doing keke. Kick can also cause this. The best way to test this is to go to the fuse box in front, and then you check the relay to test if the kick is the one bad. Let's go to the fuse box in the front. I'm going to turn on ignition here so that I will be able to do that. Right here is the fuse box, and this right here, so when I'm pointing here, this black relay is the relay for the starter motor, which is the kickstarter. Now we'll remove the relay. There, we should remove the relay. You open this case out and turn this relay into a skeleton so we can use it to test the kick. Right here, this is it. I've removed the case for the relay, and I'm going to plug it back in here now. First of all, I need to turn off the ignition so I don't get anything at once. So turn off the ignition, come here and fix back the relay. As you can see, the relay is backing. Now turn on the ignition again, and so the ignition is back on now. Yeah, as you can see, this is the skeleton, the relay without the case in it. You can see right here there's, what do I call it? Let me just call it button. What you just do is just click on this button there. Once you push it, you hear the kick make a sound, or try to start, or probably start, or you just hear the symptoms, and from there we will know if the kick is defective or not. Let's just go right to it, and you can hear that cool. But now you try to start now. It almost started, but it didn't start. So we now know it's the kick. The starter motor, the kickstarter, whichever you call it, is bad. So it needs to be replaced. And thanks for watching, guys. And in the next video, I will show you how to remove and replace the kickstarter starter motor. Save this video, follow, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, drive safe.